people use these three words like they mean the same thing: artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. They don't. And if you mix them up, you'll always feel confused when reading about AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to our AI series. In this video, we will build a simple mental map. By the end, you will know exactly how these three fit together. In the last video, we covered the foundations of AI. Let's start simple. Artificial intelligence is the big field. It's the goal. The goal of building machines that can perform intelligent tasks. Inside the big field, there are different approaches. One of those approaches is machine learning. And inside machine learning, there is another approach called deep learning. So here's the clean structure: AI, machine learning, deep learning. Think of it like circles inside circles. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI. That's the hierarchy. Artificial intelligence is the broad idea. It includes rule-based systems, search algorithms, expert systems, machine learning models, neural networks. If a system performs tasks that require human intelligence, it falls under AI. It doesn't have to be learned. It just has to act intelligently. That's important. AI is the umbrella. Machine learning is a specific way to build AI systems. Instead of writing explicit rules, we let systems learn patterns from data. For example, instead of programming spam detection rules manually, we give the system thousands of emails. It finds patterns. It learns what spam looks like. That's machine learning. So, AI can be rule-based. Machine learning is data-driven. All machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. That's a critical distinction. Now we go one level deeper. Deep learning is a type of machine learning based on neural networks. Specifically, neural networks with many layers. That's why it's called deep. Deep learning powers modern image recognition, speech recognition, large language models, systems like ChatGPT. Deep learning is what enabled the recent explosion in AI capabilities. But remember, all deep learning is machine learning, all machine learning is AI, but the reverse is not true. Think of it like this: artificial intelligence is the entire universe. Machine learning is a continent inside the universe. Deep learning is a country inside the continent. Or even simpler, AI is the goal, ML is the method, deep learning is a powerful technique within that method. When news headlines say AI is taking over, they usually mean machine learning, or even more specifically, deep learning. Understanding the hierarchy helps you read research clearly, avoid confusion, understand what technology is actually being used. Clarity removes the hype. Here's your clean takeaway. AI is the broad field of intelligent systems. Machine learning is learning from data. Deep learning is multi-layer neural networks. Hierarchy: AI, machine learning, deep learning. Memorize that structure. Everything else builds on it. That's it for today. Next up, we'll explore what exactly is a model in AI. Because you have heard that word many times, but what does it actually mean? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.